Music time! Hi, welcome to my channel, Lydia's World. Today I'm going to be unboxing one thing. There's another one. And another one. This one is magnificent. It is the new Winter Chill. This one is the remix Surprise. And this one, I just got it because this is only in Smith's. So I'll just start unboxing this one. Smallest goes first, biggest goes last. That's what I say. Whoa, it's glitter. What's this? Ooh. So we got Heart of a Champion. We got Heart of a Champion. I think it's going to be a red team because Heart's red. But it might be tricking you. And let's see which team I've got. That's an awful lot of surprises. Let's see this to see what team I got. I got the blue team. Her name is Sis Cheers. On here we got this one. This is the doll. So I'm going to open that last. Because as I said, biggest last. Oh, look at this cute catty. Look at this cute outfit. I'll put it right here, the stuff. So her cat is and her outfit. Let's open this one up. Whoa, they're pom-poms. They're pom-poms. As you see, there are pom-poms with our N. So what could be in here? I wonder. It's her shoes. They're gonna go near the outfit. Oh, I missed something. Whoa! It's like that thingy, I don't know what it's called. Look. Hello! That thing you do like that. That's really cool. Okay, so one more present. It's that thing she stands with and her water bottle. So time for the doll. So first of all, I'm putting on her t-shirt, which says cheer. Got her shirt on, time for her skirt. So this is how she looks like now, so far. Now let's put on her shoes. I can't get that shoe on. It's like it's too small for her. Eee! So I finally got her shoes on. Time for her pom-poms. Put one on. So let's just get that thingy. I do not know what it's called on. Alright, I'm ready. Now she's got her. Now let's put her in the stand. Her bottle fell off. Just put it here. So I'll put that in front of her. What's this? I'll just put it here. This. That. And we're cool. Okay, I'm really excited to open this one because this one has an instrument with it. Isn't that exciting? Oh, that did nothing. My present failed me. Okay. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah. Whoa. You could be the DJ of the party. Because you could be like, and you'll play music. Alright, how do you open this? No zipper, no button. Oh, I figured it out. Oh, the doll's inside. Yeah. Oh, no way. We can't. It is the thingy. I'm so excited I'm putting it in right now. Okay, open this one first. Tear it open. Whoa, it's her outfit. It's really cool. Next. It fell on the ground. But it's her water bottle. Heavens. What do we need that for? She is a singer. Like me. She's got the shoes. Oh, lost it. Unpack it. Ooh, it's a hairbrush. And now time for the doll! Whoa, she's so pretty with her luscious locks. Okay, I am going to make this music work. Ah! This one, come out. Oh, it came out. And I'll sing some tunes to you. So it starts like this. Me and my babies looking so fresh from head to toe. Girl, you're looking like a supermodel. Turn it up, everybody hears this. We got it so made. Yeah, we're doing nothing. Everybody know I'm on the floor walking like this. Do it just like that. Side to side, swear alive. Just like hey. I look good, but I'm feeling bad. Got my cute shades and my started jacket, lavender jeans, and long lashes like this. Alright, so I'm going to teach you the dance. I'm going to practice the dances. Me and my babies look so fresh from head to toe. I think that would be good. Me and my babies look so fresh to head to toe. What do you think of that? I'm coming up. Let's stand back, stand back, stand back. Me and my babies look so fresh from head. No. Girl, you look like a supermodel. What do you think of that? Alright, now I'm gonna get her dressed because I think that's enough now. supermodel. I was really desperate to do that. So never mind about me, because I am just man. I was talking French. Comment tu t'appelles? That means, what is your name? Je m'appelle, whatever your name is. That's how you answer. I don't have to talk completely French. We learn it at school, though. I can talk in Polish if you want. Witaj do mój channel! Dzisiaj unpakowamy te wszystkie LOL-sy. No to jak jesteś Polakiem, to ja jestem Polakiem też. Sorry if you're English. I'll look at Polish to the Polish people. This LOL is finished, but this is the final result with a hairbrush. Okay, so next one is going to be this thingy. We got our Missy Meow. Missy Meow. I need that knife again. I'm coming back, boys and girls. Bye. Okay, so now we're going to do this. And magically, abracadabra. She is out and free from that very, very bad cage. Ooh, we got her cat earmuffs. So what's in there? Ooh, it's her purse. It's harder than the other one I had last time. Alright. Right, opened it. That's how you open it. So, we got our lovely baby cat here. So we're going to open it. More clothes. My dad didn't believe me with this, but now he's going to know. So now you believe me, Dad? That's what I thought. So we got our shoes, 6.5 size. Whoa. Whoa, look at these shoes. They're so cute. It looks like honey at the bottom. It looks like honey right here, doesn't it? Whoa, so she has this very cool coat. I think it goes that way. That makes no sense. It's going this way. And that's how the sleeves look. So bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Let's see. Ooh, nice leopard. Drum roll, please. I can only do it with one hand. Skirt. That's flip around. And we are on. Never mind. Okay, so I'm taking off this impossible tape. And you know what I don't like. Impossible tape. Impossible tape is the worst tape! So impossible tape is coming off. That's off. Hooray, finally. 2 pairs of different earrings, which is weird. These cool glasses that you can't see anything in. Only when you look at this way, you'll say, I think it's a color. Yeah, it's a color. And that's it. Get dressed. Then we're going to take out her smaller sister. Okay, coat. I always start with the hardest. Okay, so time. Okay, so time to get her done. So the results are 3 Gryffindor, 10. 10. Amazing Lydia. 10. 10. And her father. 10. 10. They get 30 points. That's as much as they could get. They're the winners. Yay! They're the winners. They're the winners. They're the winners. They're the winners. Yeah, 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 yeah. They look amazing. All right, girls, let's go to a trip. Bye, guys. Aha! Oh yes, I forgot! I totally forgot. I was going to show you this, so we have to go like boom, baby. And my music. And I need, I'll say a bonus pointer. So it says CD. I wasn't ready. When you close this, it's louder. So, but I'm just going to do it like that. So it goes like this. Me and my biz look so fresh from head to toe. Girl, you look like a supermodel. Turn it up. Everybody hear this? Yeah, we got it so made. Yeah, we know what I think. Everybody know I'm on the floor. Look like this. Do it just like that. Sad, sad. Forever just like it. Hey. I look good, but I'm feeling bad. Got my cute shades and my stud jacket. Lavender jeans and long lashes. Move like this. Then it just like that. Step, step, swing from front to back. Everybody jump on the floor. Bring the trolls. Let's get it there. Me and my crew bringing down the house. Pass mal, comme ci, comme ça, mal ou bien. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Well, this is the end of the video. I want to talk a bit more to you, though. I like talking to you. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you want to do next, but out loud. Oh, cool. We could do that.